everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla and I am the creator behind TiyaisAdornedCrochet, where I mainly focus on crocheting plushies, mainly plushies for now. But today's video is not about me, it is about the crochet community. And I'm thrilled to announce that I am hosting a Crochet Showdown. So let me tell you how it works. So every 2 weeks, I spin the wheel and an animal is chosen. And everyone is to crochet that animal. You could use any pattern you want, any color you want, any size. Let your imagination run wild. But just send me a picture of it once you're done. But it has to be crocheted after the animal is picked. You cannot take a plushie that you made 3 months ago and say, here you go. Obviously, I will never know if someone does that. So obviously, if you tell me like, oh, I made this 3 months ago, I'm going to say no. But yes, you have to crochet the plushie during the 2 weeks. You have 2 weeks to make it, okay? Obviously, I will never pick something like jumbo, be like, you have to make a jumbo plushie in 2 weeks. I wouldn't do that because I wouldn't finish it. So yeah. So this week's plushie that everyone is making is a duck. So on that note, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's participating. Going through and making this video, I saw all the pictures of the ducks, and a lot of people made these patterns themselves, and you guys did such a good job. And I just want to say thank you for being a part of this Crochet Showdown that I'm running and hosting and stuff, and I really appreciate you guys, so thank you. So on that note, let's jump into it and see everyone's ducks. Okay, but definitely let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. Like, let me know, because there is a lot of good ones on there. There will be one by me. The pattern will not be released anytime soon, so yeah, sorry guys. But yeah, so let's just hop into it, and thank you guys. See you at the end of the video. Okay guys, there you have it. So many ducks. It was fantastic. So I already know which one I like. I already got the pattern. I'm definitely gonna make a few. I don't have the colors I want for it. I obviously want to use certain colors, but I'm definitely gonna be making a few ducks. But on that note, if you want to participate in the Crochet Showdown, if you have Ribbler, I post it in the community section underneath crochet, and it will say Crochet Showdown week 2, 3. Right now we are on week 2, which is a cat. So yeah, if you want to participate, leave a comment down below. Follow me on Instagram. I have a post up on my Instagram page where if you comment down below on the post, it says Crochet Showdown. I will add you to the group where you can participate. Like I said, if you're on Ribbler, anyone could participate. It's not something that you are bound to. So like there's people who participated in week 1 who don't feel like participating in week 2. That's up to you. Me, I'm gonna also be doing the same. I participated in week 1 and 2, but I might not be able to participate in week 3. Who knows? But yeah, so if you want to participate, let me know down in the comments. Follow me on Ribbler, Instagram. Yeah. So on that note, thank you again to everyone who participated. Thank you to everyone who is watching. I really enjoyed doing this and I can't wait for the next one. So thank you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.